Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free ArcadeDB fundamental course and certification. We'll go through the step-by-step process. How this is the certification looks like. Certificates of completion and official recognition achievement. This is to certify that your name, your detail will be there. Has successfully completed the ArcadeDB fundamental course. The score is there, then certificate id, date, and which version you have completed this. So all the details you will get. So this is the 100% free Learn ArcadeDB Fundamental with your complete beginner friendly course and discover how to build powerful application using a high performance multimodal database. Whether you are a developer, student, and data engineer or database enthusiast, this course is help you to understand ArcadeDB from the ground up. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here, when you'll open, we have a detail, and when we'll open the URL, so there will be the URL. So this page will come. So welcome to ArcadeDB Academy. And first question is that what is ArcadeDB? So ArcadeDB is the open source multimodal database. Okay, so there that support graph, document, key value, search, vector, time series. So that combines graph, document, key value, vector, and data models in the single database engine. It's designed to high performance, scalability, and flexibility, allowing developers to work with a different type of data, switching between the multiple database. So next, so second question is that what is multimodal database? So we'll go through the multimodal database. So traditional database force you to choose one data model, but in a multimodal database is the different of the support of multiple data models within the same platform instead of using the separate database for graph neo4j, and for document mongodb, for key value redis, and there is a relational, this one for the searching elasticsearch influxdb. So there is just six database to manage. So traditional approach is that you have to manage all the six in the different engine, but in multimodal you approach is the arcadb all six model in the one engine, so you have to manage only one database. So this is the multimodal database, and use cases of the ArcadeDB. So knowledge graph and connected data, social networking application, recommended graph, fraud detection system, identity and across management, supply chain and logistics tracking, network and infrastructure management, AI and semantic data application, and master data management, real time analytics and business intelligence. So this is the full course you can find here. So step by step you have to go, and there is an option to sign up to complete this one. So when you click on the sign up, it will ask you use email address, full name, and how do you hear about the ArcadeDB, company name, and which database have you used in the last project. So just in my case, I am using MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, AringoDB. So these are the database we have used. So click on sign up. Then you will get a link to activate your account. So when you will activate your account, you will sign in, and you have to complete all the module. So there is a module, and last you can see there is a final examination. So who should watch this video? Who should do this multimodal database certification? So software engineer, database administrator, data engineer, full stack developer, the backend engineer, student and beginner, AI and machine learning employee, anyone interested in the graph and multimodal database. So question is that why we choose the ArcadeDB? So there is a fast, 100% open source, lightweight, six data model, six query language, and full ACID. There is a transaction wall and crash recovery built. So all the details will be there. And when you will complete this, you will find a like this. So you have completed all the things and you have logged in. So there is logged in, your name will be visible here, and data models, See, and finally you have a final certificate. So send the certificate to your email address, which email address you are logged in. When you will send the email certificate, so your certificate will really looks like this. This. So this is the certificate, ArcadeDB Academy certificate of completion, your name and other details you can find there. So we have gone through the step-by-step process. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. I will give you in the description. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and follow the process exactly shown in the video. And like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official tutorial. Thank you.